Lost title? Do you only have a bill of sale? Did you know that the laws of a single state have made it not only possible but easy to obtain a new title with nothing more than a bill of sale? And the entire process can be done completely by mail. Yes, completely by mail. It's true. And I should know, I wrote the book on it. The Single State Loophole, The Secret to Obtaining a New Title with Only a Bill of Sale, and Doing It by Mail. Available now on Amazon. If you lost the title or if you made the purchase and it came with only a bill of sale, either way, as long as your car, motorcycle, boat, trailer, etc. is at least 15 years of age, then this legal loophole is the solution, and now we've made it so easy that it's virtually done for you. Here at TZ Digitals LLC, we are proud to introduce our brand new and one-of-a-kind product. We call the Lost Title Kit. This kit will take you from just a bill of sale to a new title in no time. And you don't even have to leave your house to do it. Guaranteed. Oh, but there's more. When you decide to use our kit, another added bonus is the fact that in as little as 4 weeks you will receive a new set of license plates and your new proof of ownership documentation, so that you are then completely legal to operate while you wait on your new title. That's right. Legal even before your title arrives. Our kit is a done-for-you system, no guesswork. You simply fill in the blanks and walk it to the mailbox. We are so confident in our kit that we are backing it with a 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we will give you a full refund of your purchase price. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Let's get your title today. Why choose us? We are an LLC company that values its customers. Best in Class Award in 2018 by Braxton. Superior brand product in use. Utilizing the single state loophole. No hidden charges, 100% money back guarantee. No questions asked, 24/7 customer care and feedback. This kit is something I am truly proud of, and I was eager to put my name on it. Michael, CEO and founder, TZ Digitals LLC. The Lost Title Kit. The 10-minute solution to your lost title problem.